Okay, this is the OmniType rotatable smart keyboard case for iPad. This will allow you to have a keyboard for your iPad. It also rotates, swivels, and it goes up and down. It's supposed to do a lot of nice things. Let's check it out. Got a nice slide off here. Pretty easy. And here we go. All right. Okay, so we got a USB cable. Nicely packed in the bottom there. It's a USB Type C. USB Type C. And here we have both ends. We have and that's what's going to allow you to charge it, allow you to hook it up to the power as well. Your iPad must have at least Apple OS version 13.0 installed to work with this particular touchpad. Okay, so they're letting you know that right away. Nicely packed, nice cushion there, protected. Okay, this is similar to the YEC-B. Oh, I see here that we have a more sturdy stylus holder on the side. Hard plastic. Got these nice grips on the side here. And of course the camera hole, volume cutouts, and the microphone, everything that needs to be, and the headphones jack, all the necessary access is there. All right, let's open her up. Nice and sturdy, nice and strong there. Okay, we've got our instruction manual inside. We've got a little protective pad here. Keys are round this time, okay? Round keys. We've got a protection in the section where the iPad goes. Okay. Yeah. Keys feel nice and okay, these keys feel a little softer than a little softer. Okay. We've got our, oh, okay. By the way, the iPad holder is a more softer, more rubbery-like holder. Oh, it looks like it's a removable type. Okay, the iPad holder portion of it actually removes.
Oh! Yes!
That's a nice feature. And of course, we've got our swivel so we can turn it. And I'm sure it probably lays down as well, just like the USB. Yeah, sure does. By the way, nice and light. Let's see how our iPad fits into this whole thing. And just to make sure I don't damage my screen, try to protect my screen while I'm installing this. So we're looking to go this way so that the power button is on the right side as it is, and the camera as it is on the case here. I'm gonna tuck, tuck. Turn it upside down to get the weight there. Yeah, it just sort of clips in, very nice and easy. Oh yeah, nice and sturdy. Now let's put it into the unit. I'm going to go with tucking it bottom first. Always seems to be the better way to do it. Remove this so I can grip it a little better. Oh yeah, that's nice and easy. Nice and easy. Swivel, no problem. Lay down, no problem. And when you lay it down like that, you can just use it just as a regular iPad. Just a little heavier, but still nice. Got this little bit of extra lip on the side here, but doesn't make much of a difference. Also, let me say, we have this button here that's really like a rubber notch there, and it acts as a sort of like an eject button, so to speak. Let me show you. I'm gonna put it back in. And while we have it snug in there, now you can see that that little notch comes through the back. There's a hole and a cutout made for it, and it comes right through the back there. You can just push on this notch and it will sort of eject it enough for you to work it out the rest of the way. And let's just demonstrate that. I'm going to do it with it sort of upright, and I'm going to find that spot with my finger. Now when I hit that, I'm going to put my thumb in the front here along the edge and my finger in that notch. And now, see what just happened is I got it freed, and then it's just easy the rest of the way. And that allows you to take it out. And you still have the benefit of the skin. You can just use it just like you would always use your iPad and have a little extra protection. Pretty cool. Okay, here we have here is where the USB plugs in. And that also is a little small power switch there right next to it. Very small. Okay, nothing on this side. This side is just smooth. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to go ahead and switch it on and see what happens. Okay, lights up in green. Okay, so as soon as you hit the keys, you have light, so it knows you're using it. I don't know if you could see that. Yeah, it just went out. And as soon as I touch, it comes back on. That's pretty nice. Definitely nice. Now, the trackpad. The trackpad has a nice feel to it. You can definitely feel when I push down, I'm clicking on it. You can definitely get like a nice clicky response. I like the clicky response. I like to know that I'm actually clicking something. It probably will work also with just the touch. I guess that's something you just have to adjust, make an adjustment to inside. If it works anything at all like the MacBook Pro, the trackpad should be adjustable. But other than that, this is a nice product. I like having that trackpad though. That's a winner. And then of course, let's see how it closes up. Okay, nice strong close. So it's not loose, you know. Loose enough to allow you to open it again, but not so that it will fall open. Yeah. Oh, okay. Nice little rubber feet there to keep it sturdy, keep it in place when it's on the table. Yeah, this is nice. Very nice. Access to the volume buttons. Okay. Kind of recessed, so you can access them, but they won't get adjusted by mistake. You really have to actually put your finger in there, so that's a nice feature too. Oh, cool. Now, when you open it up, the lights don't automatically come on, but as soon as you touch a key, then they do come on. So that's good. They don't come on by accident or anything like that to run the battery down. Nice unit. So that's the I OmniType rotatable smart keyboard case. I think it's a winner. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you on the next video.